What is up, pussies, and welcome back to Yarling Gains. Alright, today I'm here, Kayla's here, she's holding the camera, and we're just gonna do like a little chest day. I might teach Kayla how to bench because, you know, she never really bench pressed, so we're gonna teach her how to use the bench press because it's chest day. And yeah, also I've got to I'm going to Canberra tomorrow, so today's video is probably gonna be a little bit short, not too much going on really. No one's around, like no one's in town and shit, but other than that, the gym yesterday was closed, so I couldn't get a pump in, not like a proper one anyway, but they put in a heap of new equipment, so we're gonna check that out and show you guys some of the new equipment. Hopefully it's all in there and ready to go. It should be, because I closed the gym for the whole day yesterday. So yeah, we'll check the new equipment out and get a sick chest pump hopefully. Maybe there's some new chest machines, that'd be the dream. That'd be the dream. But yeah guys, just a little chest day for you today, and let's get into it. Let's go hit chest. Before we go in there, obviously, look at that, Sunday Mass. What do you guys know about that? Best brand in the fitness industry right now. Check it out, link in the description, and code Yarling will get you 10% off. They obviously turn the music up in here, it's very loud now, but there's actually heaps of new shit in here. Like, just pan the camera around here, they've actually rearranged pretty much fucking everything. So it looks crazy now. But obviously, let's just go through it all because this is crazy, guys. This is new. I don't even know what this is. Let's have a look. Got a new dip pull-up assisted machine thing. They moved all the cables back over here. They were over there before. I don't know, they kind of moved them back where they originally were, like ages ago. In the early videos, they were over here. I kind of like it like that, but Smith machine. That's the same Smith machine. I mean, they've lined up all of these now. Look at that. They've lined up all of these now. All the machines here. These are all like in like a little circle over there. Everything's like facing the mirror now as well, which is kind of handy. So you can actually kind of see yourself. New leg press. I don't know, is that an improvement or not? What happened to the old leg press? I kind of like the old one, guys. Is it still here? No, I think it's gone forever. That's disappointing. Anyway, next. Obviously, real squat pads. Squat racks. We got 3 of them now. Seems a bit excessive for a gym like this. Everyone here skips leg day. Chest press machine in a much more optimal position. And then obviously new benches and shit. They got rid of the old ones. Don't know what they do to them. But these black ones don't look too bad. But they're like real fat. Like, you know, the pads. I don't really like that real thick padded shit. But, and then they moved the dumbbells. There was heaps of dumbbells over there. I guess they bummed those off, even though they were pretty good dumbbells. And then, yeah, I don't know, what did they do with the old rattly, like the big rattly dumbbells, like the anabolic ones? Wait, Ben, bro, they got rid of the old fucking rattly ass dumbbells. Remember the old really good ones? Yeah. They're like my favorite. They make me feel anabolic. I do. Yeah, that's disappointing. Anyway, guys, that's Ben. What's up, Ben?
What's up, vlogs? Code Yarlinga.
Code Yarlinga, 10% off. What do you think of the new gym, bro? What do you think of all this new shit?
They're alright.
What do you think about the cables being back over there?
I don't like it.
I kind of liked having them in front of a mirror, so you could like, I don't know, check the pump out while you were doing like tricep push downs.
I reckon that's a bit weird.
Yeah, the bench is just in the weirdest fucking spot now. And then they put the good bench facing away from the mirror, and the shit one's facing the mirror. Yeah, I was, yeah.
It's like they're giving you a pause because you lift heavy.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, you're good, man. You're good. But yeah, I think the Radley dumbbells were a fan favorite around here. That's it. But yeah, anyway, guys, we're gonna test out some of this new equipment, get a little chest pump, and I guess we're benching with Ben. See what that's like. But anyway, let's get into it. All right, so they got rid of my favorite squat rack, the one that we always used to do muscle ups on. It had like, the handles were a bit good, so you could actually do a muscle up. So we're gonna go try it on this one now because it's a straight bar as opposed to like the other bar. So let's go do a muscle up. Ben's gonna hit one too.
Yeah.
It's so low. You know, I had to jump to get to the other one. That doesn't feel nearly as good.
No.
Nah, I used to like it. The other one was like way taller. And then now I can pretty much just jump into the muscle up. I don't know. It's kind of shit, but whatever. We'll cope.
Ela bate no peito, ela fala que é braba. Vamos ver se tu aguenta. Sequência vai tomas, 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 vai tomas, tomas, tomas.
I might try 100, but I didn't take any pump. I literally haven't taken anything. I haven't even had caffeine today. So I might just do like 1 rep. I could probably manage 1 rep of 100, easy. Three's not bad for no fucking warm up or anything, bro. We barely even warmed up. Oh well, it's alright. I think we should teach Kayla how to bench. You wanna learn how to bench? Alright, let's get active. Alright, so lean back in the seat. Have your eyes under the bar. Eyes under the bar, put your feet on the floor. Nice, nice. Yes, and fingers about there. No, that's not even good. Okay? Yeah, this one, this way. Yeah. Alright, ready? So you're gonna pull it up. Is your back arch? Arch your back inside a bit. Put your legs flat on the floor. Feet flat. Yeah? Okay, good. Now down to your sternum. Nice one. Perfect. Wait, is that not perfect form, Ben? Keep your wrist like sort of. You don't want your wrist to be bending like that. You want it to be like right under there. And then keep your elbows. They want to be like 45 degrees. So let's go again. So 45 degree up your elbow. Yeah. Alright, now you do it with everyone. Push, 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 push. Yep. Come on. That was good. That was good. Alright, so the wrist wraps are gonna keep the wrist in place or something. Alright, let's go. Push, push. You got three, you got three. Push, push. One more assisted, one more assisted. That was good. You did good, you did good. Alright, and every week we're just gonna get a little bit more weight each time. Progressive overload is key to building your strength on the bench. How did that feel? Is it
My
good?
wrist hurt.
Your wrist hurt?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll take a break. You technically did 3 sets, so it's fine. Alright, well that was teaching Kayla how to bench, I guess.
Maybe next time I'll do it right.
Yeah. You'll get better, trust me. The form's more important than the weight. But I think we'll just go and do some incline, maybe some machine press, and yeah. That's pretty much it. We're gonna go to cruise. We can't stay for ages because I gotta drive, so. Well yeah guys, let's get active.
Ela bate no peito, ela fala que é braba. Vamos ver se tu aguenta. Sequência vai tomas, 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 vai tomas, 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 vai tomas, 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 tomas.
Esse é o DJ Sambinho, o brabo da produção.
Looking big and strong today. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video today. I'm going to be away in Canberra for a couple of days. So I probably won't be getting too much content in. I've got to go see family and stuff. But yeah, if I don't post a video before Christmas, well I'll post this video before Christmas, but there won't be another one after that. So yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you all enjoyed this video. And subscribe if you haven't already. Like, leave a comment, and yeah, comment Merry Christmas actually. That's W. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.